What's up everybody? Today we're checking out this butane torch. Perfect for cooking, crafting, and all kinds of DIY projects. I'll be testing its flame power, ease of use. Stick around to see it in action.
See that? We have two butane torches here, a black and red one, and then we have a red and black one. Both of these work pretty much the same way, and as you can see, they're pretty much identical. This is something that usually comes with one of these torches, and it's got a tip on it. So there's a hole in here, and what you do is you put this on top of this, and if you have any old butane in here, you go underneath, and that's how you, see that? That's how you release the butane. It smells a little bit, but that's how you do it. It's very cold. If you want to fill a butane torch before you get it going by pressing here, right? You need to fill this from underneath. This is what a refillable butane fuel looks like. It's kind of like this canister. And what you want to do, you can take this and then just stick this right in here, but you're going to leave some of the butane out. So you take the same tip and you put this right here on top. And then you take this and you stick this right underneath and you press it. Now you know you're filling it up because right here, this will start going up. So let's do this. Alright, let's see if we can get it started. Let's increase the flame right here. There we go. That's how easy it is. Now we're gonna have to fill it with more. But it's going in, just really slowly. You can see now in there, it's quite in there. So we'll just put a little more. You can see the bubble is in there. I think that's good enough. So now, again, press this and there is our thing. And the cool thing is, you can toast and grill up your hot dog. You can put the lines on them. Or if you have cheese, you can melt it. Just don't hold it super close because you're just going to get like a burn. You can really quickly just add a little bit of melted. And butane is absolutely safe for this purpose. You can also use it to quickly heat up things as well. Or toast bread. There you go. Well, I can adjust the flame quite simply like that. The level of butane is in here, so it's visible. You can see a little liquid shaking. I can go insert it from here, no problemo. And the question is, can you, like, how powerful is this? It's no different than a lighter. See? So it's not that much more dangerous than a lighter. It's just an easy way of firing it up. And prove it to you. It's melting the plastic, no problem. So whether you're making creme brulees, melting cheese, making a quick pita, or anything, or you're starting a fire, this is definitely something you may want to consider. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.